Good morning, students. Welcome back to the computer class. We will continue with Microsoft PowerPoint. In the last class, we have learned what are the components of chart, and that chart area, category axis, value axis, data series, category name, plot area and legend. And what are the types of chart? In that we have learned pie chart, columnar chart, bar chart and line chart. And we have learned how to format the chart with the help of format tab, and how to take the printout by using Ctrl P, or an office button you can click print option and you can select the slides. In this session we are going to learn of formatting effects, working with Slide Master, okay, and creating a new custom layout. Okay. So, working with Slide Master, let us see what is a Slide Master. The Slide Master is an element of the template that stores information including font style, placeholder sizes, position of the text and objects, bullet styles, background design and color scheme. Okay. Slide Master sets the default layout and formatting for all other slides. It actually controls an entire presentation. Any changes made in the Slide Master page automatically reflects on every slide in the presentation. Slide Master consists of two placeholders. First one is slide title placeholder and the second one is body text placeholders. So, what is slide title placeholder? It is the first placeholder which contains the title of the page. You can move the title placeholder anywhere on a slide. And the body text placeholder, this is the placeholder includes general objects like text with bullets, charts, pictures. Okay. Now, let us learn how to create a Slide Master. Slide Master helps you to customize your PPT according to your choice. So, can you see the layouts? I have opened the PowerPoint. Can you see the default layouts? Okay, you can take any one layout and you can create a presentation. But with the help of Slide Master, we are going to create a new, okay, custom here layouts, new layouts. For that, click on View. Okay, in that view, can you see here Slide Master here? Click on View and then click on Slide Master View, and can you see all the slides are there. By default you can see many slides in the PowerPoint, right? All the slides you can create. Now, in this slide I am going to create a Slide Master. In that I don't want to take a header, footer, just select and delete this is for example. Okay, so we are taking one example how to create a Slide Master. So, now first here I have creating a simple Slide Master, okay, new custom layout. So, I am using here the colors, okay. For the colors I will take one color here for the title, right, title slide, okay, and I am going to change a size also, okay, size also I will take, fine, okay, and you can see here, okay, font, different font types, okay, and these are the things. If you want you can keep it, otherwise you can delete. So, as per your requirement, okay, you are creating a new layout with the help of Slide Master, right? Okay. Now, can you see here, after here I have done font size, create here, okay, and now I am using a template. Children, all of you know how to create a templates, right? You can take any one template, okay, and here, okay, take any one template, okay, I am selecting this templates, can you see the first slide now? That is my master slide. Okay, and click on the close master view. Click on the close master view. Can you see in the layout what you have created? See now. Okay, the new layout will come in the layout group. Can you see there? Okay, for the entire presentation, you can use the particular layout. Getting, children? So, can you see here? Yes, that's the different layouts. Okay, this is simple layouts we have created with the help of slide. Yes, children. Now, we will create one more slide. Open presentation, click on view and click on slide master. Okay, here we will create one more layout, okay, with the help of image. For example, you want to create a 20 slides and in each slide you want to put a symbol or logo. Okay, so what will you do? You will take one by one slide and you will insert a picture? No, with the help of slide master, we will create a custom layout. Okay, for that we have taken one simple slide. The first slide, can you see this? Yes, master slide. Okay, and I am going to change a slide. Click on that and take the back front for the text, and in the right side we will insert a image. In the down, can you see page footer? Just press and delete, or in the view menu you can see there. Okay, you can deselect that particular option, that is header and footer. Now click on insert. Can you see that? Click on insert menu, go to insert menu and picture. Okay, in that picture I will take a one simple picture, so that I want to show you how to insert a logo or pictures. Okay, for example, this is earth picture. Okay, I am going to take a picture where you want to put the pictures. Okay, now here. Okay, yes, children, now we are doing with the help of slide master, we are creating a layout, one layout, that PowerPoint layout. I have taken the logo also. Okay, now suppose you want to create a 20 slides. Okay, so just you will save this now. Everything is over. Okay, this is just one title and we are taking a picture slide. Okay, and you can yes, here just take it and close it. Okay, okay, here we will learn on the placeholder also. Okay, one placeholder I will put here, text placeholder, that is. Okay, text placeholder, so that you can write something on something here. So text placeholders. Okay, the first one is title I have taken, then right side one picture, and here you have taken placeholder, so that you can write the points. Okay, so this is my slide, and close the slide master. Now go to the layout. Can you see the logo? Go to the layout. Can you see the second slide? See here, right? So this way just you can type the matter. Your slide is already ready, right? So in every slide you can select the particular layout. Okay, and you can create as many as slides. Now you can see in each and every slide, you can see that earth picture is there, right? So this way you can create a custom layouts. Okay, you can create a custom layout with the help of slide master. Yes, children, hope so understood. See, one by one now you can see in your layout group, you can see your custom layout. You have created that with the help of slide master. Okay, okay, children, now you can see the, okay, with the help of slideshow you can view your slide. Okay, okay, we will take now one topic, that is save our surroundings. Okay, for that, for example, you need a 2-3 slides, right? Different, save electricity. Okay, save electricity, save water, save fuel, right? These are the different slides in your presentation. Okay, you can take any slides. Okay, save our surroundings. The topic is save our surroundings. So for that we need one slide Okay, and the left hand side we have to insert two pictures. Okay, and the right hand side I want to write about, suppose you are going to save trees. Okay, so save electricity, so you are going to write a points on save electricity, and the left hand side you are going to create what, insert a picture. Okay, so with the help of master slide you can create a master slide master, right, with the help of slide master. See here I have taken same thing, view and slide master, and here I have taken, okay, one slide master view, and you can see here in the two I have to insert a picture also, right. So I will take a shapes, okay, shapes, it is not important, but I want to insert a picture in that shape. So I am going to create a two shapes, okay, two pictures I want to insert. Okay, in every slide I want to insert two pictures, and I want to write a points. Okay, in front of that I want to write points. Okay, so now I have taken a shape, and that shape, okay, two shapes. In that shape, see, can you see here now, here with the help of, right, okay, okay, two shapes, and here text, I have taken a text with the help of placeholder, right. So there is placeholders are there, so placeholders I have taken, and I am increasing the size of the text. Okay, so can you see the placeholder, slide title placeholder and the body text placeholder, right. We have taken the one placeholder. Now one more placeholder I am going to take, because I need a picture icon there. So see here, can you see? Yes, the placeholder, that is a picture placeholder. Okay, you can change, minimize the, yes, right, okay, you can decrease the size of the text. Okay, one placeholder and the one more placeholder, so that is picture only, because see here picture, here can you see the different placeholders there, text, pictures, chart, anything you can insert with the help of that placeholders. Okay, so here one placeholders, okay, I have taken a picture placeholders, fine. So now close the master view. Okay, close the master view and go back to your layout. Okay, you can see the design here, insert, and the layout, can you see here, which I have created. Now in here I want to create a 10 slides. Okay, I will take the same layout. Okay, for example I am writing here save electricity. Okay, and here left side I want to insert two pictures. Okay, with the help of, yes, picture folder you can insert a picture, any picture on that, and you can end one more picture you want the same way, because we have taken a placeholder as picture, right, we have taken the placeholder, right. So that's why when you click that, so it will go directly, it will go to where, in a picture folder. Okay, so you can take one more picture for this. Okay, I have selected randomly two pictures. Now you want, here we have taken a text placeholder, because I want to write, right, here you can write the points. Yes children, now understood? The slide master sets the default layout and formatting for all other slides, right. It actually controls an entire presentation. Any changes made in the slide master page automatically reflects on every slide in the presentation. So just now we have learned slide master consists of two placeholders. One is slide title placeholder and the second one is body text placeholder. So children understood how to create a slide master. Now the second slide is there. Again you want to write the points. You can, here you can write the points. Yes children. Okay. Now tell me what is the use of slide master now. Can you tell me what is the use of slide master? The slide masters are what? You can customize your PPT according to your choice. Okay, usually what happens, we use ready-made templates for PPT, but with the help of slide master you can create your own layout, right. You can create your own layout and you can insert, okay, your slide, insert your slide. Now we have created slide master, one by one we are taking, with the help of layouts we are taking our own slide and we are inserting a slide and we are doing PPT. Yes children, so this time suppose you want to create a 50 slides and each and every slide, see now I have taken a save water, okay, here inserted picture and you can write. So see the slide now, both the slides are looking same, right, the pictures each and everything, it saves your time also. Now suppose you want to put that logo in your all the slides, okay, you can take one by one, but it takes time. But if you are using a slide master, okay, you can do your work fast, okay. Once you created your layout, okay, after that the same layout you can use anywhere, right. Can you see here all the slides, 2 slides we have created. Yes children, hope so children, all of you understood how to create, right, a new layout, right, a new custom layout with the help of slide master. See all the by default slides are also, layouts are there also there, and we have created here one slide, right. Yes children, now this is what presentation view, you can see your presentation, right, this is presentation view, okay. Yes, now the last, see this slide, can you see here, so many 36 slides are there, okay, but I have created the slide without custom layout, okay, sorry, without, okay, I have not created slide master and all, we have created one small presentation. Now I want to change the color of the, all the colors, can you see, I want to change the colors, okay, background, okay, you can do after creating slide also, you can change your, yes, different with the help of slide master. So same thing, view, okay, click on view and slide master, okay. So now I, instead of blue colors, I will take a different color, okay, I will change the color of the this particular text, and text also you can change text the color, yes. So just see here, now fill color, I will go to the fill color and fill different color, okay, and I will take the text color also different. Let us see now, okay, the text color. So I have taken the font size as big so that you can understand, okay, and change the, yes, just it is going beyond the circle, right, okay. So now again select it and change the color of the text, okay, so that you will understand. So I am taking a different color, okay, okay. Now see one slide I have done with the help of master slide, right, okay, slide master, with the help of slide master, okay. In the first that I have changed, let me see now, I will see all the 38, right, 38 slides are there, okay. Now close the, you can, yes, in background also you can change it, but I see here, can you see here, I have created with the help of slide master, you see here, size also can you see, yes children, yes, you can see all the, yes, but remember that text on the master slide is used only for styling, okay. The text on actual slide such as titles and lists should be typed in the normal view, and for headers and footers in the header and footer dialog box. Children, remember that the text on the master slide is used only for styling, okay. So now, yes children, now I think you have learned how to apply formatting, yes, you have seen the formatting effects and the working with slide master, right. Now understood the slide master is an element of the template that stores information including font style, placeholder sizes, position of the text and objects, right, and created how to create a custom slide, right. So custom slide, you can create a custom slide layout, okay, that, yes. Now in this we will stop this session. Sai Ram.